Good morning, Columbus, Ohio. And it's snowing. That's snow, baby.
Frost.
Oh, it's a frost lang daw, guys. It's not a snow.
That's a deep, hard frost.
It's how really cold here right now. This is the gym fitness center here in our hotel. Yes. Work it out. Can you work it out, baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna do an artery workout. Okay, I'm good.
Wala pa 2 seconds, you're good. How many pounds?
Heavy.
That's really heavy. Don't do it.
Yeah. 50 pounds.
So guys, they have here tissue, and they have a towel here, and they have the water when you get thirsty after workout. Yeah, I like this. Mag ano ko here? Yeah, treadmill. So let's go to the pool, guys. So here's the pool. Oh my god, they have indoor pool here. Oh my god. Wow, kalami, baby. Yeah, a little bit. I wanna go swimming. That's good. They look clean. Texas Roadhouse. We're here in Texas. We're here in Ohio.
But you see, like, back here. Yeah, I know. No. It's the same thing as that, but.
So guys, we're having a lunch here with Steve and Tess.
The other Clement Zoo is near east side of the road.
Well, that's where we build our zoos, because you got to feed the animals.
Oh my goodness, look at the people. That's all the people coming there inside?
Parking though.
Really?
I need to give some money.
Why? In Columbus Zoo. Look at that. So we're here right now. It's really freezing cold, guys. But we're here having fun. Oh my god. Hi! With Steve and Tess here. Woo! So they have a wildlight show happening right now. And that's what's over there. We're here in Columbus Zoo. Here in Wildlights. Wow.
Maggie.
Who's gonna take it? No. Here, we'll take it. I got it. Wait, actually, can we do it and then... I'll take pictures of you there. That's everyone's photo, right?
Yeah.
Good.
What you see is good. Come on, let's go down a little farther. Let's keep going.
They have a bangus, milkfish, or what?
Wala ka dako niya, oy.
It looks like it's coming in a video.
Si, ano tawag dito?
It is.
Naisda, oh. Lami na ipaksiwon.
Why do you get that big up the picture of that?
Oh my goodness.
Ladies and gents.
Really cold, guys. No, I'm not.
Huh?
No.
Serious?
the laundry station ng hotel namin. So I'm going to put our clothes here inside para washing ako, guys. Merry Christmas again, guys. So we're here finally inside our room here in Comfort Suite. We're still here in Columbus, Ohio. So we just got home from our day 2 day 2 meet up with Steve and Tess. So today we went to Tanger outlet, and after that we went to late lunch actually, in Texas Roadhouse, and after that we went to Columbus Zoo, which is they have a wildlights happening there. And actually, guys, that's what's full of people coming there watching the light show, but it's really nice. Relaxing here inside our room. So this is our 3rd nights here actually. So today the weather was really cold, guys, but even it's really cold, we're still having fun watching the animals and of course the wildlight shows. Wildlights, yeah, they call that wildlights. So I'm here ready to sleep after watching my video here because I'm a PBB lover, guys. So that's it. So I would like to say thank you so much for all my friends here in my YouTube channel, and thank you for likes, comments, and subscribe, guys. So again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So see you later, guys. I'm so sleepy right now. Look at my eyes. Actually, it's already almost 12 o'clock here in the morning, so I'm about to sleep very later. So, bye. Good night, guys.